Visualization techniques can also help us to learn more about the universe in which we live and the natural laws that govern us. We know that our universe is dual in nature. Darkness seems the opposite of light. Hot seems the opposite of cold. Love seems the opposite of hate. And down seems the opposite of up. But are these things really separate? Imagine that it's a warm summer night, and you have made your way high up upon a mountaintop. You lie back comfortably, gazing at the countless stars above you. And you begin to ponder the immense vastness of the universe. Why, the planet Earth is really just a rotating ball floating in this sea of space. Why, oh, wait just a minute here. If the Earth is a rotating ball, then that means that I'm lying on the surface of it. And so I'm spinning too. Whoa! And what's more, I could even be looking down on all these stars instead of up at them. For what would be above on one side of the planet would be below on the other. So where does up end and down begin?
This concludes this excerpt from Exercise Your Inner Eye. Listen again as often as you wish and watch your life begin to improve.